Hello. As I said before, we're gonna go to the lesson with a double consonant. As told you in the first lesson, in the alphabet, we also have 10 double consonant, and with 10 double consonant, uh, we have the way to speak like this. All right. The first one is the word we say ja, and this one ja. You see, g, and this is h, ng, and it's also ng, nya, tha, fa, and tra. So, uh, in Vietnamese we have few pair. Actually, it's three pair like this: g and g, g and g, ng and ng. So why they so similar, exactly the same in pronoun, but the different word? Because why? Because three of these g, and we say this word g ga, and this one is g and g dài, and this one ng and ng dài too. And with three of these g, ga, g dài and ng dài, they're always and only combined with a, and e. What does mean? It means with three of these example like this word, it's gonna be exist to work like this. We're gonna example like this. This word example, this word kẹo, it means candy. But we don't write like this kẹo, right? Because k is always and only combined with a and e. All right. Example like this word. uh, uh, kế or kế bên, beside. It means we say like this. We never write like this. It's wrong. But the work like this. Example like this work. Cup is mean frog. We're gonna write this, but we don't write like this. Because there's only combined with a and e. It means with all the vowel left, they don't. We gonna write with g. All right, and the same thing with this. Example like this word. Ghế is in the chair. And we don't write like this, right? Or like this word. Ghi is mean right, and we don't write like this. Alright, but the word like this, gà, it means the chicken. We don't say like this, or yeah, like this, right? Or left. And example this one too. With ngờ, we gonna describe this word like nghe, it means listen, but we don't word like this. It's wrong, alright? Or like this, nghề, it means a job, right? But we don't write like this, alright? And but with this word ngủ, it means sleep. We don't write like this. It's wrong, right? Or ngon, it means delicious. We don't write like this. Never. Alright? Yeah, and this is the rule of the consonant. And we know to another case with this one. This work with this one, and this one, we say exactly the same. Example like this word, giống, it means the same, right? So when you see this one, is G và E, right? This is, and you can see that, right? If they want to combine with E, it's going to be like this. But why they combine like this? Because this is just double consonant. And then we want to tell it this work, and exactly when you say this work, giống and giống, but this word is no exist. This doesn't have meaning. This word is mean the same. Or example like this one. This one. Gió and gió. Two of it is exactly the same in pronoun, but this is mean wind, and this one is the name of a tree. Yeah. So when we use the, and we say this word is yeah, z, and this one is yeah. So when we use z and when we use yeah, there's no rule for this. The only way to know when we use this one or this one is just practice, and we gonna remember this. All right, and that's why this one we have for this word what, cái gì. We're gonna say this word gì, but not gì, because if you want to say gì, you have to write like this. All right. Yeah, now we're gonna go to practice some word with the double consonant. All right. Yeah, we have few words like this, like chậm. It means slow, but in case you forgot how to spell, I'm gonna spell this word like m âm chờ âm chờ âm châm and nặng chậm. Alright, it means slow. Alright, or this word a I ai chờ ai chay nặng chạy. It means run. Right? Or example like this word là y ơi chờ ơi chơi. It means play. And this one g g e ghê sắc ghế. It means the chair. Alright? Or this one ô ngờ ông khờ ông không. It means no or zero in Vietnamese. Or like this one. This word is a little bit hard with ngờ. Sorry. Ngờ is ngủ. It means sleep. But sometimes you're gonna struggle with this word ngờ. And let's see my mouth to say this word ngờ. You're gonna open your mouth like this. Ngờ, and don't move your tongue. Ngờ, ngờ. Alright, ngờ. And then when you say ngủ, you can say like ngủ, ngủ. Alright, and this one ngày, it means day. Alright, and this one nghe, it means listen. Alright, or like this one nhảy, nhảy. It means dance or jump, right? And this one nhạc, nhạc. It means music, music. This one is one that is look hard, right? If you don't know how to speak this one, we just use the basic way to spell this. All right, we're gonna spell like this: I, E, U, yêu, thờ, yêu, thiêu, sắc, thiếu, thiếu is mean lack, right? Or this word, right? Ở y a, thờ a thấy, sắc thấy, right? It means see. And this one, before you learn Vietnamese, you want to say this like phở, phở, right? Phở, uh, but when you learn Vietnamese, right? Phở, right? All this work. A, bờ, áp, phờ, áp, pháp, sắc, pháp. Pháp it means France, right? In Vietnamese. In Vietnamese, we have few country. We gonna speak like a Vietnamese way. We don't use the international name like Pháp is France, right? Or America, US, right? The US. It's gonna be Mỹ or China. China is gonna be Trung Quốc, right? Or yes, something more, many more. It's not something, many more, right? And if you want to know that, let's tell me, all right, in the lesson, or you can comment anything. I'm gonna explain, right? And this one, trời, right? Trời ơi, right? Trời trời huyền trời, and we say trời ơi. It means oh my God, right? Or example like this work, we say, oh, this work look hard, right? Uh, Actually, it's not. We're gonna use the spell to speak this word, all right? This word we're gonna say u e a n, and then combine all of them. Uyên, and then trở, uyên, chuyên, nặng, and truyện. It means like comic, all right? And the one more thing, when we combine vowel and with the double consonant like this, with this word ngờ, they will combine with every vowel except and e. This one, and e, they don't combine with ngờ, right? And with this one, nhờ, we have two words, a nhờ anh or y nhờ in. And there is only two consonants like this, two double consonants. They have combination with the vowel. With all this like this, right? Chờ, giờ, gờ, khờ, or ngờ, or thờ, phờ, và trờ. They never behind the consonant. They're always in the first consonant. Alright? So, after 3 of these lessons, I hope you can speak my name. Alright? Let's try. My name is Dũng. Like this. So, let's try to speak my name. Alright? U, ngờ, giờ, dung, ngã, dũng. Alright? I hope with 3 of this lesson you can basically speak any word of Vietnamese. Of course, we need to practice, right? But if you can remember everything of 3 of this lesson, you can speak every word in Vietnamese. And just combine with the listening skill, you can write every word you heard too. Even though you don't know this word, what the meaning of this word, but you at least you can write it down and use translator to know what does mean. Right? We're gonna end a lesson right here, and thank you. See you in the next lesson. If you have any question, let me know. Alright? Bye bye.